Hi guys, my name is Ntsundu. I'm a UI designer. Today I'm going to teach you how to design a landing page for a car dealership on Adobe XD. So let's do it. We're going to select the web artboard on XD. So this is our web artboard. So we're going to create this app. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay guys, let's begin. Let's click on the web artboard. So here is our artboard. First of all, I want to go to Unsplash and search for a car that I might like. I like this one. Okay, I like this one. Chevrolet. I will click copy, go back to XD, click command V, and then scale it to fit the artboard on the sides. So second thing that we're going to do, we're going to just create a quick logo for this website. Let's say cars for sale. Cars for sale. I would like to use the font. Let's use Montserrat. I will make this bold. Cars bold. Let's make cars bold. Semi-bold. Let's make it semi-bold. Anyway. And save semi-bold. So we're going to make the color red. FF000 and make 4 white. So what we're going to do, we're going to scale it down and fit it to our artboard. So I'm going to show the layout grid. The layout grid are going to guide us to align it properly, and then we're going to create our menu items. Let's say home. Let's make it uppercase, scale it down to 31 points, and let's say this pre-owned. Okay, let's say new cars, new cars pre-owned, test driving, and add contact us. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make this smaller. Let's make it 20, and then what we're going to do, we're going to select all of them and align them horizontally to have even spaces. Let's put this here and realign them again. So the next thing that we're going, okay, let's make them white. We're going to the color, we just drag our cursor here, and then let's select them again. So I'll select them with the logo and align them horizontally again to realign them. So we're coming here on the libraries, on the plugins. On the plugins, I've already downloaded these icons from Adobe Creative Cloud. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search the bell. I'll put the bell for notifications on the menu bar. So I'm going to zoom in and make it white. So the active menu icon is going to be red. Our next step is to create the the call to action and the text on the landing page. Let's say it's going to be, you need a new car or a new experience with a question mark. Let's make this 150 and make it extra bold and put it and align it on the left. Let's make it 55. Let's make it 55 and make it white. So after that, we're going to create our paragraph here that will explain our heading. Let's put our subtext. Let's say, you can come visit our branch anytime you want and have experience of a lifetime. Let's make this regular, and of course decrease the font size, make it 25. So this is the half of 55, right? And I'm not sure. And our next step is to create a call to action. Our call to action, we're going to put them make them 260 with 260 points. Is it points? Yes. So we're going to create two blocks. One is active, one is not active. The one that is not active is going to have a border. The border size is going, let's make it 3 points. And the next thing is going to, we need to put the text on the call to action. Call to action, we're going to make it black so that it can blend with the background that we have here. So going to the items and drag it to the top. Well, let's make it extra bold. I'm trying to try, let's make it extra bold. Let's say new cars and make it 45. No, that's too big. 30. Let's make it 30 and align to the center, and duplicate this one by pressing option, and then by pressing option, yes, and drag it to the right. Make the text white. Let's say pre-owned here. Pre-owned. And align it to the middle by dragging it. And XD is going to show you when it's on dead center, as you see the pink lines that are showing there. So we're done with our call to action. I just want to select all of them, drag them up a little bit so that they can have even spaces here. We can check that by realigning them, but I think it's too much here. So our final step is to add the navigation lines at the bottom. So I'm going to drag this. I'm going to drag this line and click and drag it. So I'm going to make it 3 points as well. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 10. And let's click on it, duplicate it by clicking on options. What is happening? Let me click escape to unselect what I just selected there. Duplicate all of them, select 3 of them and align them in the center. So I'm going to select the one in the middle, make it red so it shows that it's active. The two others are going to be white. Let's see how our website looks without the grid. One thing that I see that is not looking well is the alignment. I can select these headings and subheadings and call to action and move them a little bit up. Of course, it's going to be responsive on the mobile or other small screens, so it's going to push to the car. This might not be legible, so what we can do is we can just add a shadow in case it gets to the car like this. So we can just put a drop shadow just to emphasize it, but in this case I'm going to leave it like this. So this is our landing page for a car dealership that you can do anything that you want. You can do for deco, you can do for maybe use another car when you're doing it. If you have any questions, you can just drop them on the comment section, and I will be glad to just answer those questions, and hope this helped. And this is for someone who's trying to start to know how to do UI design. Maybe in another video I will just take you through on the design process that I could use. This is just a design, this is just aesthetics, this is just something that you can learn how to do. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.